In the Vaishnava literatures it is said, only when I can respect all living entities to be better than myself, only at that time I'll be able to call the holy name purely. Which means I have to consider every jiva to be better than myself. On the contrary, in neophyte stage, we think I am the best devotee, everybody else is worst. One thinks like that. So that is how we begin our devotional service, considering I am a great devotee, Atmano Bhakti Darpataha, they say. But how are we still able to begin devotional service? There is a reason for that. The reason is, there is one person we agreed to respect, which is spiritual master. There is at least one fellow in this world who appears to be flawless. And I don't respect anybody else except that one person. Everybody else is useless. So, just like in mathematics you say, let us assume that X to be this. Like that, okay, let us take one person in this world to respect, which is the one spiritual master, Diksha Guru, you take. And then with that one person kept in front of our mind and heart, we start respecting, and gradually that person will purify us and teach us to respect one more and one more and one more. Gradually we'll come to the point, Sakale Samman Korite Shakati Deho Natha Yatha Yatha Tabe To Gaibo Hari Nama Sukhe Aparada Habe Hata. So, when we come to this platform of respecting all the jivas to be worshipable and respectable as part and parcels of Krishna, at that time our chanting of the holy name will be blissful, very relishable at every moment, he says, which is a long way to go. From the neophyte stage to that stage is a long way to go. So till then our bhakti is very superficial and very elementary, although it is considered like some kind of bhakti. So, although in the neophyte stage one may think I have a great attraction for Krishna, actually that attraction is also superficial, because in one of the commentaries, Jiva Goswami says that such devotion to Krishna is also that jiva will come to consider that it is imaginary and it is interpretable. The fifth and the sixth offenses. The holy name is considered, the effect of the holy name is considered imaginary. And the sixth offense, he says, one gives mundane interpretations to fit one's head about the effect of the holy name. So these are also again, these two offenses happen because of superficial understanding of Krishna, sentimental and superficial understanding of Krishna. So with Krishna, we have sentimental superficial understanding, and we consider his holy name to be, effects of holy name to be imaginary and worthy of our interpretation, material interpretation. And with devotees, we have no respect for them. We only respect Guru. So with all these handicaps, when we try to chant the holy name is extremely bitter. It is just like a jaundiced tongue finds the sugarcane juice bitter, although the problem is not with the sugarcane juice. The problem is with the tongue, jaundiced tongue. So, therefore, when the jiva understands his insignificance, extreme insignificance, and Krishna's extreme greatness, there is one Karpanya Panjika Stotram by Rupa Goswami. In that he says, my dear Lord, although you are Pandita Vara, but although I am a Murkha, although you are the greatest, I am the most insignificant. Nevertheless, when I try to chant the holy name, you are so kind that you are accepting the holy name. That is your greatness. Although I have no qualification to utter your holy name properly, even the impurely chanted holy name you are still accepting. I am grateful to you, he says. And Srila Vishwanath Thakur says in one prayer, he says, my dear Lord, I say, Kayana Vacha, Manasendriyarva, Buddhyatmanava, Prakrite Svabhavat, Karomi Yadhi Chakalam Parasmai Narayanayate. I am saying like that, but what is my Kaya? Filthy body, filled with all kinds of dirty substances. And what is my mind? It's filled with so many anarthas. And what is my buddhi? It's a speculative buddhi which is skeptical and which doesn't completely surrender to you. And these are the useless substances that I am offering you, kaya, vacha, manasa. What is so great about it? Somebody goes to a garbage dump and picks up something, gives you, I give you a gift, take it. You will say, what is this? You are giving me garbage. So, by giving my body, mind, words, I am not giving you anything great. I am giving you a problem because you have to take my body, mind and words and you will have to purify me. Therefore I am giving you. So you are giving me a gift by purifying me, not that I am giving you a gift by giving you something filthy. So these great souls like Chakravarti Thakur or Rupa Goswami or Jiva Goswami, they are teaching us the right consciousness, the right attitude we need in approaching the holy name. And if we don't take corrective steps, then we will have to go a long way. It's like tying a stone, sharp stone. Imagine there's a sharp, flat stone with sharp ends. And you make a hole in that stone and then you tie with a rope to your leg and you run fast. Pat, it will hit you. That's like false ego is like that. The more you run, it will hit every time. Why is it paining? You'll be wondering, why is it paining? It's hitting you, pat, because you're running. So the false ego will hurt us very badly. Manashashtani indriyani Prakritistani karshati. It's a very painful situation. If you don't want that painful situation, cut off the false ego. Cut the rope and throw away the useless stone which is making you bleed in the leg unnecessarily. You will be a free bird. And that false ego is cut off by admitting one's insignificant position in relation to Krishna and one's smallness in comparison to other devotees who have many, many good qualities which we are blind to see. Even though we are blind to see, we should accept that they have good qualities because the greatest good quality is Krishna Eka Sharanam. These jivas have, despite all kinds of problems in this world, these jivas have come to the door of Krishna. They are engaged in Krishna service. So that is the greatest quality. It's like one sun in front of million stars. One sun is good enough. Krishna Eka Sharanam. Accept that one good quality and respect everybody, and then the quality of chanting will definitely improve to very great height. Harinam Prabhu ki Jai. Let's offer our humble obeisances to all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord who are just like desert trees or ocean of mercy, full of compassion for the fallen conditioned souls.